friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be a first impressions with the new Nomad Cosmetics Fire and Ice palette. I'm so excited about this. I feel like I always get really excited when Nomad releases a new product because they're always really fun with their sneak peeks, having everyone guess on what the location is going to be based on. It's always so much fun and I'm very excited about this one. This one excites me pretty close to the same amount that the Tokyo Harajuku palette excited me, which says a lot because I love the Tokyo palette from them so much. I still don't know if this is going to beat that one, but I'm very excited about it so far. This palette did already launch. Nomad was super kind and did send this to me, and I do have a non-affiliated discount code, ButeBean10. I don't make any commission off of it, but you can use it and save 10% if you feel like shopping for this or anything else on their site. Before we get in too deep and start talking about the palette itself, just a couple details. This choker is from Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code ButeBean for 10% off. My plugs are Love Kills Boutique. My earrings are Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy. This is a Christma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And I don't know where this beanie's from because it's very old. All right, let's just hop in and chat about the details of the palette, and then we will get into creating this look that you see right here. All right, packaging. One of the most beautiful packaging designs they've done to date. I think it's absolutely stunning. Even the inside, it's just so beautiful. I love that kind of icy exterior and then more of the fiery interior. It's very fitting with the theme. We have 15 beautiful shades, a mix of mattes and shimmers. I love all of the embossings on the shades. It's so creative, so beautiful. I'm so excited about these shimmers. I die for Nomad's shimmer formula. I think they kill it, and I'm just so excited about the range of colors in here. We have a lot of depth, but also a lot of lightness. It's very beautiful, very well curated. I love the mix of warmth and cool tones. It's just all very good. I'm very pumped about it. I'm also just very excited about the Iceland theme. I was pretty certain that it was Iceland after the first couple hints, but I'm happy that I was correct. And I'm very excited about the theme itself. I've always wanted to visit Iceland. It's actually one of the top locations on my bucket list. So maybe one day I will go. That would be really cool. Oh, I'm just so excited about this. It's so beautiful. The detail. I'm just excited. This is not a review, it's just a first impressions. It's my first and only time using this palette so far. I do plan on at some point doing an Instagram video, and I will do a 2 looks 1 palette if you guys want to see that from me. I wouldn't mind at all. Anyways, I will give my thoughts thus far at the end of the video, but until then, it's just a first impressions. I'm just gonna play with it, create this look. I used a lot of the shadows for this look, so I already have a pretty good feel on how I feel, but I guess that's all I really have to say. Let's just hop in and create this look, and I'll give you more thoughts thus far at the end of the video. Hello, how's it going? I'm very excited to dive into this palette. I mean, just look at it. It's beautiful. I actually used the River Glacier shade as my highlight today because I couldn't resist, and I think it's actually really pretty. All right, I'm gonna prime with my Urban Decay primer potion. I'm gonna blend it out, and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. I don't even know what look I want to do. I feel like I literally want to play with every color, so this is going to be really hard to decide. I think I want to start with this blue shade down here. It has a little gnome on it. It's very cute. I'm going to use this e.l.f. tapered blending brush, and I want to pop this in the outer corner of my eye and a little on the lower lash line. It's a good shade of blue. I'm just going to work this through the little outer third of my crease. I'll also tuck it a little on that outer portion of the lower lash line. I don't want to take this all the way across either. I want a very, I don't know what kind of look. I just want to play with everything. We'll just see what happens, I guess. Do want a wee bit of a winged out shape, so I am just going to extend this blue just a tad little bit there. Now I want to start blending it out with this blue down here. It has little snowflakes on it. It's very cute. I'm going to take that on this old blending brush. The name is like rubbed off, so I don't even know what this is. It's from an old boxy charm or something. It's just a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna go to town on this outer edge. Also down here in the outer corner, of course. I get so excited about blue eyeshadow. It's one of my absolute favorites. I've always loved blue eyeshadow. I think it's so much fun. Nomad shadows just blend out so easy. I love it. I want to add some of this minty turquoisey shade into the front part of my crease. I'm going to take that on a Kaleidos S2 brush. Love this kind of a color. It's so pretty. It's what inspired my wig choice today. Just going back in with the blending brush I had with the blue. I think I'm also going to go back in with the smaller brush I have with the darker blue. I don't have any additional product. I just want to work on just adding some extra blend, you know? I can't resist. I have to add more darker blue. Will this be a mistake? Stay tuned. I just want a really deep, elongated, winged out kind of a look. I don't know why. I just think it sounds fun today. I hope you're doing well, by the way, whatever you're doing. I'm taking more of that blue that has the snowflakes in it on this big fluffy brush. Just gonna go to town on this outer corner yet again. And I wanna take a little bit more mints just to re-intensify this front portion. I think that's looking pretty good. I wanna take this dark castle shade now just to deepen up a teensy little bit in the outer corner. I have this little Luxie 111 brush. It's like a very flat angled pencil brush. I just want to press it literally in the outer corner of my lid. I don't want this to go too high or anything like that. I'm probably going to take this a little on the lower lash as well just to add some more depth. This palette makes me want to watch Frozen really bad. I know Frozen doesn't take place in Iceland, it takes place in Arendelle, but it still makes me think of it. I literally don't know why. I think it's just the blues make me think of Elsa. That is what I'm getting from this. Oh, look at that. That's really cute. All right, I think I want to do a triple cut crease. I want 3 shadows on my cut crease. I want to take this Elves shade because I cannot resist that shade. I also cannot resist Valkyrie, so I want to have it fade into that. And then probably this cool Gallows Lava one because that one also looks really interesting. I don't know why, that's what I want. I'm gonna take this flat brush from Colourpop, it's the E3, and of course my NYX Glitter Primer just to help make the shimmers pop as much as possible, and also it helps me create cut creasy stuff without having to bust out concealer. It's great. So I'm just kind of going right above my natural crease and following the rounded shape of my eyeball. And I'm gonna stop it where things deepen up in the outer corner. All right, taking that Elves shade first. That's so pretty. And I just want to cut out my crease with this. Oh, very cute. That's such a beautiful shade. Holy cow. Nomad always does so good with their shimmers. I can't take it. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna flip the brush over now and take Valkyrie's, this beautiful kind of like purpley blue. And that's gonna go right underneath it. And I'm doing everything at a slight diagonal just because I like to do that. I'm only gonna put that other shimmer like down here in this lower third. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that color is. I know I really don't need to put multiple shimmers on my lid, but I cannot resist. There's too many pretty shimmers. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this little brush also from Colourpop. It's the E26, and I'm gonna take that Gallows Lava shade. So it's kind of like a dense packing brush, so it's perfect for just like popping quick little things in specific spots. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't take it. I'm gonna take a little bit more Valkyries just to kind of press right on that seam where the darkest shade meets Valkyries. I'm obsessed with this. I love it. I feel like just for the heck of it, let's use this God's Waterfall shade and pop a little on the lower lash line. This is just a Luxie 141 little pencil brush, nothing too crazy here. I just have to use every shade. For my inner corner, I feel like I should use River Glacier because it would be perfect. I'm tempted to use the purple. Let's try the purple. Why not? Why not, you know? All right, purple. Inner corner. Ooh, that's really cute. What a cute little pop. I think I might still put the lighter shade over this a little bit, just because I want a little bit brighter of an inner corner. So let's take a little bit of River Glacier just to tippy tap on it. Oh yeah, that's a good little combo. Oh, I love this look. Holy cow. I think that looks so pretty. So much depth and dimension. Oh, I love that. Okay, I'm going to repeat this on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, I'm back. This is the completed look. I think it's so beautiful. I love this look. I love how dimensional it is. I love all the shimmers. I'm thrilled with this look. Great first impressions. I'm excited to continue playing with this one. My eye pencil I picked is the Chill Blue Epic Wear Pencil from NYX, something like that. Chill blue. I just thought a nice icy blue would be fitting for this look. My lashes are the Bella Lashes from Colourpop from this Colourpop lash book. And on my lips, my little lip combo is Ashton Lip Pencil from Colourpop and the Kaleidos Crystallize Gloss. Just a nice kind of sheer blue. It doesn't look obviously blue, but it does have little blue sparkles, so thought it would go with this eye look nicely. So yeah, that's the look. Let's zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts thus far on the palette. All right, welcome back. How was the tutorial? Did you enjoy it? I freaking love this look. I think it came out so beautiful. I'm feeling really good about it. I have no plans tonight, obviously, like who has plans during a pandemic, but I'm probably just gonna chill around my apartment for the rest of the night looking like this because I feel very cute. All right, let's chat about what I used and my thoughts so far. Let's see, I used, I guess, 4 of the mattes. There are 3 mattes that I did not use. The 4 mattes that I did use all performed really nicely. I used 2 of the darker shades, 2 of the lighter shades. I feel like they all have a very nice distinct difference in tone. They all blended really nicely. I always say Nomad is probably a good brand if you're a beginner because they just blend so effortlessly. They're very soft, very easy to work with. They're pigmented, but they're not overly pigmented upon initial impact, so you have time to build it up if you're someone who's a beginner. I really liked these mattes. I'm excited about them. The only mattes I didn't use are the 2 oranges and the gray. I know you guys know that I'm not a huge orange person, but I will try to incorporate them a little bit in upcoming looks. I'll do my best, but obviously I'm gravitated towards the rest of the palette. That is where it shines for me. I am excited about this red though, but we'll get to the shimmers in a second. Let's see, I guess I used 5 of the shimmers. Only 3 shimmers I didn't use. I love all of the shimmers. They're so glitzy and wet looking. I love how just beautiful they look. I can't get enough. I think they're so pretty. I don't really have anything else to say other than that. They're very reflective, impactful, just beautiful. Ooh, actually, I guess I technically used 6 of the shimmers because I did incorporate a little bit of that purple. So the only shimmers I didn't use are the shimmery red and the shimmery green, and I'm very excited about both of them. Overall, I'm very excited about this palette. I know I don't really have many thorough thoughts yet, but I am still forming my thoughts. So far, so good. I'm very excited about the color story. I'm excited about the theme. I'm excited about the matte to shimmer ratio and the shades that were chosen to be matte versus shimmer. Overall, I don't have any complaints so far. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did you pick this palette up? Do you want to pick it up? Have you tried Nomad Cosmetics before? What are your favorite things you've tried from them? I want to hear all of your thoughts down below. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me an emoji that makes you think of Iceland, like the whole fire ice theme. Leave me an emoji relating to that theme. If you made it to the end of this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.